next thing is changing the character menu. This set of list items is stored in a data table. So simply go to Blueprints, Data, and open up Characters section. Everything here you can change, including title, description boxes, information. And the second sub list is the items that you want to see in the sub menu of the character section. So the main ones are here, like skins, emotes, weapons, voices, and under the, for example, equipments list, these are the second sub level items. And you need to specify the target enumerator from here. And if you want to add another enumerator, just go to eCharacter secret target, and you can just create one or remove one here or change the name of it.